Do you find yourself sitting for long bouts of time more than you like? Do you want to learn techniques to change your habits and move more? If so, this workshop is for you. My name is Teresa Maldonado-Marchak. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and I am so excited to share the new science behind the value of moving more. And the great news is it doesn't have to be what you typically think of as exercise to have health benefits. Join me as we explore the changes to the new physical activity guidelines for Americans and discover two of the key changes that were made from the previous version a decade ago that made the benefits of moving more accessible to everyone. We'll also delve into the science of habits and how to build new, good movement habits with the help of this wonderful book that I'm reading called Atomic Habits by James Clear. I'll take you through some of my own movement hacks that I intersperse throughout my day. And finally, I'll guide you with our handout to create some smart movement goals tailored to you and your lifestyle that you can implement right away. Be prepared to write, to self-examine, and to be open to change. I hope you join me.